Hi everyone. In today's lecture, we will discuss about control flow statements or control statements in Java. So basically, the statements of Java program are generally executed from top to bottom in the order that they appear. It means execution will take place in sequential order. Let's understand this line by the help of one example. I have this example, and what I am performing here, I have one class demo and I have public static void main string array args method. Inside this, first variable is what int a is equal to 10, second is what int b is equal to 20, and then I am adding up this a and b, and I am storing the result in this result type of variable, which is of which type, int type, and I am trying to print this result here on the console, right? So this is the explanation of this program. So now tell me, in which way the execution will take place. See, the execution will take place from top to bottom in this way, right? So here execution will take place in sequential order, that is from top to bottom. First this statement is appearing, so this will execute first, then this, then this. Fine, this much is pretty much clear. Now let's see. So if we want to execute the statements in random fashion according to programmer choice, then we should go for control statements. Now if you are a programmer and you want to change the flow of execution of a program as per your requirement, then you can take help of what? Control statement. So it means a control statements will control the flow of execution in Java program. For example, I have this example here, the same example I have taken, but this time I want to change the flow of execution. What I want to introduce one condition. So the condition is, these two statements will execute if A and B are greater than 5. Okay, these two variables are there now. If these two variables are greater than 5, then only I want that my JVM will execute these two lines. This is my requirement. So to fulfill this type of requirement, we should go for control statements. Understand? Here what I am doing, I am trying to control the flow of execution. The normal flow was what? Sequential order. So in the above example, we are controlling the flow of execution by introducing our on condition. We can achieve this behavior by using control statements. I hope this much is pretty much clear to you. Still you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. Okay. So, basically control statements are classified in three categories. What are the three categories? The first one is what? Conditional statements. Okay. So conditional statements are also called as selection statement. This conditional. Okay. The second category is iterative statements used for iteration purpose. The third is what? Transfer statements. So we will cover everything. Don't worry. One by one we will cover everything. So conditional statements, inside this we will cover if else statement and switch statement. In the if else statement case itself, I will cover simple if else, then if else if later, then nested if. Fine. Then we have iterative statements like while loop, do while loop, for each loop, which is introduced in 1.5 version. And in the transfer statement case, we have break, we have continue, we have return, we have try catch finally, and finally assert, which is introduced in 1.4 version. So we will see each and everything one by one. You have to wait for the good time, right? So see next. So basically, what is a statement? Have you ever wondered what is a statement? A statement is nothing but a instruction instruction that you are giving to your Java. Okay, and that instruction told that what action needs to be performed, right? That is what statements. So basically Java statements are classified into three categories. What are the three categories? First is declaration statement, then we have expression statement, then we have control flow statement. So see, in this line what you are doing, int a, you are just declaring a variable. So you know this type of statement is what? Declaration statement, basically used to declare a variable. Clear with the first type? Second, a is equal to 10. What you are doing? Assignment. Assignment is happening here, right? So this is what assignment expression. It is also a type of expression statement, right? Next, a plus plus. What you are doing? Incrementing. So it is what? Increment expression. So increment expression is also a what? Expression statement. Fine. Then I have introduced the condition. See, if a is greater than 5, then only execute this. Whatever statement present in this block, execute that statement if a is greater than 5. Now tell me, you are applying a condition and you are trying to control the flow of execution. So that is the reason this statement is what? Control flow statement. Next, you have this system.out.println. A is greater than 5. A is a variable, right? So tell me, what is the value of A? 10. Initial value is 10. Then you have incremented, so it becomes 11. So 11 is greater than 5. It means what? True. It means what? True. So if it is true, then definitely this statement is going to execute, that is system.out.println, and this A is what? 11. So you will get the output like 11 is greater than 5. I hope this is clear. So this statement, this complete statement is also an expression statement. Why? Basically, what type of statement is this? Method invocation expression statement. Fine, because println is a method, okay, and you are passing this thing as an argument to that method, and this println you are calling, right? You are calling the println method. That is what called invocation. Calling a method or a function is called invocation. Fine. I hope this thing is pretty much clear to you. So thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the further updates.